Santiago Martin, known as the Lottery King, and his company Future Gaming are under the spotlight once again amidst allegations and investigative scrutiny. Santiago Martin, a figure who has risen from humble beginnings in Yangon, Myanmar, to become a colossus in the lottery industry, is facing renewed attention. His company Future Gaming, which boasts interest in healthcare, education, hospitality, and gambling, has purchased electoral bonds worth a staggering rupees 1,368 crore between April 2019 and January 2024, raising eyebrows across social media platforms. Claiming to pioneer transparency with live TV broadcasts of lottery draws, Santiago's business has seen exponential growth, with a turnover reported at Rs 20,000 crore for the fiscal year 2021 and 2022. Despite this, the company's workforce remains shrouded in mystery, with searches on professional networking sites coming up empty. However, Santiago's journey has not been without controversy. Accusations of financial fraud and money laundering have followed him for over a decade, with the Enforcement Directorate and the Income Tax Department taking a keen interest in his operations. In a recent development, assets worth Rs 457 crore were frozen as part of an investigation into an alleged lottery scam, costing the Sikkim government over Rs 900 crore. Adding to the saga, a Punjab-based lottery distributor has accused the government of favoring Santiago Martin through policy manipulations, with allegations now under investigation by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. With investigations ongoing and the public's eye firmly fixed on Future Gaming and Santiago Martin, this story is far from over.